Oh man, oh man, oh man. If y'all looked at my last video I posted, I was in the Dominican Republic, right? And it was my birthday. So I'm doing a birthday unboxing for something I've been wanting for a while now. And that's what the video is. It was Ridell 3 Angel Skates unboxing, plus some other things, accessories I got to go along with my skates. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Melvin Smith, and I am an intermediate skater. Just growing up, my mom had me and my brother skating every Friday, Saturday, and Sundays. And we was in there, and I haven't skated in probably like 2-3 years. But recently, I just been watching like a lot of skate videos, and I want to get back in it. So, go check out my last video. I was in the Dominican Republic for my birthday, and I had a few drinks, and I was just sitting on my balcony, and I was just thinking about the skates because I've been researching for a long time. I know exactly what I wanted. It was in the checkout box, but I never bought it, and I was just like, I deserve it. So I did it, I bought it, and we're gonna go ahead and get into it. So, here it is. It just came in today. But before I open this, I briefly want to go in with what else did I purchase, okay? So, to go along with it. Now, since I wanted to go ahead and take this serious, I'm 24 now, so my feet's not really getting bigger. So these skates are gonna be with me for a while. I was just like, why not, not just get the average? So I bought some Roller Bones 57 millimeter and 101A clear skates. It's an 8-pack, and the 101 stands for how hard it is, and I guess the 57 is like the width or the height or something like that. But I've done a lot of research, and these are the wheels that I wanted to go with, so I can really learn how to do tricks, twists, turns, everything under the sun. And this brand, Roller Bones, is legit. So this is something I bought first to go along with my skates as well. And the cost for these from roll1.com, the actual website, roll1.com, the actual website, was $99.95. Okay, so there's that. Now, what I bought next? And the way I did this, I bought it all in one night. And literally, outside of the Amazon packages, they came like the next day or the next 2 days. But, from the actual websites, it came the wheels, then the tools, then the skates just got here today. So it was like perfect timing. So my next purchase is also Roller Bones, right? These are bearings, okay? So the thing with bearings, it comes with spacers and washers. It's an 8-pack for both. I'm gonna go ahead and open one. So, a backstory, when I was skating with my brother, we grew up in Clayton County, but we went skating, it's called Dazzles in Fayetteville. It's not open no more. And the guys there, my age, when we was like younger, elementary school, they was moving fast. They had the vanilla skates with the cat scans over it, and at the time we really couldn't afford those, but they was moving around that skating rink. And me and my brother, not no bad skaters, so we was going pretty fast, trying to keep up, but we couldn't. And I always wondered, why did they move so fast? Even when I got older, still skating with the older people, like, they would naturally just go faster. And I'm over here like trying. And what I found out doing research about the skates that I wanted is it's all about the bearings. So these are red bearings, right? The glare. So these are red precision skate bearings from Bones, so it's the same company. They go together, right? So, and I actually got these off of Amazon only because they were slightly cheaper, and I did get a better deal because these only come with, I believe, 8. It's an 8-pack, but each wheel takes 2. So you got 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Well, I think I might only need 1 pack. I don't know, but I got 2. And it do come with spacers and washers. I don't know if I'm gonna need that. I will have to watch a YouTube tutorial video on how to properly put these on. So shout out to YouTubers making videos. That's why, I wanted to make this just in case anyone were thinking about getting into it, what to get, how to upgrade yourself. So, you know, that's that. And these were $17.95, right? $17.95 from Amazon come with this. And I bought two, you know, times two, so that's $35.90 I spent on that. Now, the next accessory, I ain't even opened this yet. Okay, bet. So this is the tool. Okay, so this is the tool I'm gonna use to, like, whenever I open up the skates, you know, to take off, if I need to loosen up the trucks, take off the wheels, you know, smash in the bearings, is this. It's called Ridell, and I got this from Amazon as well, right? So Ridell, I bought that for $9.49. It comes with a bag, and it also comes with a little, I don't know what this is called, hex, star, something like that. So it comes with one of those. So, you know, it's pretty convenient. I don't know. I know you don't need it. You know, like, I know you can use screwdrivers and stuff like that, but I just went all in. Why not? It was my birthday. You know, I work hard. Might as well treat myself. And the last thing, before we get to the actual unboxing, is since I am an intermediate, I don't like toe stops. I never used them. Never want to use them. I have dance speed plugs, jam plugs, toe plugs, whatever you want to call them. I got red. You know, my skates are black. My wheels are clear. So I just wanted red. And these were, how much did I pay for these? $9.16. And also for the Ridell tool was $9.49, right? So it just came in two. As soon as I unbox these, and I'm setting all this up tonight. You know, I haven't decided if I'm gonna do a video on the setup because I still gotta learn myself. But, you know, that's that. So now it's time. It's time. It's time. So for the Ridell Angel 3s, black, size 13 for me. I didn't get no special trucks, wheels, nothing like that. I just got the basic, just got the shoes, because I know I'm gonna upgrade. I just showed you everything I bought. You know, I can do all that myself. What I spent was $139.32. That's tax and shipping. That's like final price, you know. So I was expecting to spend, on the website it says like 164, 170. So I was expecting to spend 200 plus on the skates. But since it was only like less than that, like I said, I paid not even 140, you know, that's why I just went on and bought everything else. So yeah, there's that. And in total, everything I'm showing you guys is $293.83. So, you know, $300 on myself outside of me going to the Dominican Republic. That was kind of cool. But let's go ahead and get into it. Oh man. This reminds me of like roll bounce. That's a classic. If you're a true skater, roll bounce. You should know all those moves. That's literally what I'm gonna learn as soon as I get started with these skates. The camera moving. But when his dad bought him the skates, and the way he opened it was just like, what's that ASMR feeling that y'all be doing on TikTok? It was just like, that's just like I'll never forget that moment in the movie. It just looked so clean and just so new and so fresh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Established 1945. Create, design, skates. RidellSkates.com, straight from the website. Model 3, 123. Angel, color, black, size 13. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into the opening part. Pull down this little tab, lift it up. Do I slide it? Oh yeah. Oh no, I just pull it out. Yeah, pull it out. Oh, I'm gonna lift it up. Here we go. Boom. Oh boy, they're here. They're here. They're here. Oh, it don't come with wheels. I guess you gotta buy the wheels. I didn't even know that. Oh, I guess when you don't choose the wheel. Oh, it don't come with a nose stop. Dang, do it come with shoelaces? Oh yeah, it comes with shoelaces. Well, see, now I'm glad I did the unboxing. So guys, if you're buying skates, the choices they have adding wheels and a nose stop, if you're not gonna spend what I just spent or get your own, just go ahead and add it on. It's cheaper. I just got, you know, certain things that I wanted because I don't got no wheels anyways. What I was expecting was to use the wheels that came on here, the stock wheels, for my outdoor. But I only got no wheels. That's crazy. I thought they would at least came with wheels. Oh man. My phone less than 10%. And it comes with a little dish. So that's the unboxing. That's really it. And I just got a owner's manual. All right, cool. So, well, hey, it's a good thing I bought my own wheels, right? So I probably will do another video on putting the wheels and the bearings on. But this is it. This is it. Oh man. It just feels so nice. This is my first, I've had probably about 3 pairs of skates. I've had usually Chicago, and I had one other brand I really don't remember. They was all low top with straps, so this is my first high top boot. I noticed the heel feature because I do want to start doing, you know, more tricks and stuff like that. So I know that will help. But this is just, overall, like, I'm excited, you know. I'm like really excited. Pimp it out a little. I got a white shoestring I'm gonna add on top of this black and then just keep this one black. Clear wheels, red stop. Wow. I'm gonna open up the last one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I still can't believe this didn't come with wheels though. That's crazy. That's so crazy. Dang. But yeah, look at this. I don't know what I'm gonna name them. I name everything I get. Like even my homegirl got some flowers the other day. I was like, what you gonna name them? She was like, why you name them? They're just gonna die soon. I'm just like, what? You gotta talk to plants. Might as well give them a name. My skates, you don't have a name. I don't know what I'm gonna call them. Black Magic. Oh, they're Angel 3s. I could call my skates Black Jesus. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna do that. I don't think I'm gonna do that. I don't think I'm gonna do this. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not racist or nothing, but it's just the first thing came to mind. Toe plug. Boom. Clear skate. Boom. Ooh, that's nice. I hope I got the right size toe plug. Usually it go a little bit deeper. Okay, there we go, there we go, there we go. There we go. Yeah, there we go. That's nice, that's nice. All right, well, thank you for joining me on this unboxing, the Ridell Angel 3s. Got them in. They just feel good, they look classy, they look professional, they're shiny. I wanna take good care of them. You know, I'm gonna put these wheels on and I hope you guys enjoy. I'll post links to everything I bought. You know, they got the little Ridell right here. They got the little Ridell sign right there. I'm gonna put my initials, brand my initials right here. I'm finna go in with these skates because these skates last a good while. Like, they're gonna last me a good while. So, thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Deuces.